What's happening, YouTube? Just taking a quick lunch break in my truck, working right now. But I want to talk about something that annoys me, like this defeatist attitude that so many men have today when it comes to dating. And they just walk with such a lack of confidence. These men that complain about not being able to get women or talk to women or get attention from women, and they walk around so defeated. Now, we could go into discussion for hours on why they're defeated, but I kind of want to smack some sense into people here. Confidence is the number one thing women find attractive, period. Confidence, real confidence. So most of your energy should be focused on becoming confident. This isn't the video to tell you why that is. I'm just kind of wake some people up. Another thing to consider when it comes to what women want, so many guys you talk to have this idea that, all women just want this and you have to be this. Bro, not every woman wants the same thing. You can pick any celebrity that you deem to be handsome that every woman would want. There's just as many, if not more, women out here that would not pick that guy as there is that would. Whoever you are right now, whatever your situation is, your height, your weight, however you look, you can't be giving up, man. You can't just walk around and leave the house lazy in flip-flops and sweatpants with an unkept beard and smelling like sweat. Bro, it's your job to get to work to better yourself. And yeah, that's cliche. You probably don't want to hear it, but you need to be reminded of that. There's no excuse for not being in better shape. You have to be in good shape. You have to, every single day, be striving to be in better shape. That has nothing to do with women. That's just for you. Women come with that. I don't care about your height. Height matters more when you keep yapping about it. And men are the ones making height a big deal too. So I don't want to hear that either. All you men out there endlessly disqualify yourself by bringing up your height and stuff. Bro, I'm short. I walk around like I'm king of the world. And I don't mean that in an arrogant way. If I meet a woman and she has a super lack of interest in me where it almost comes off dismissive or disrespectful, I'm not putting my head down. I'll be insulted by that, and I'll reiterate that right back to her. She'll get that same level of lack of attention from me. I'm not simping to some woman that thinks she's above me. Not a chance. You weren't above me, sweetheart. No chance in hell. A lot of men don't focus on the things they can control. No matter what you think you look like, there are certain hairstyles that will make you look better. There are certain facial hairstyles that will make you look better. Hats or no hats. Earrings versus no earrings. A nose ring versus no nose ring. Certain styles of clothing. Certain fits of clothing. Certain colors of clothing to hide things that you might want to hide or exacerbate things you might want to exacerbate about your build. And again, the body language in itself. Don't even get me started on body language. I have talked to guys before, friends of mine, and I'll tell them, bro, just a subtle movement in your shoulders and puffing your chest up and just carrying your head a certain way and eye contact and nodding and just that confidence itself can do wonders for you. Not even just for dating, but the way you're looked at in society in general. Bro, so many men are sliding into this depressive, defeated mentality. Maybe it's on purpose. Maybe they're just spending too much time on their phones. Wake up. Focus on being the best version of you. Your best version of you. Not emulating some guy that you're never going to look like. You got to be your best version of you. I'm going on a rant here, but I really want to get through to somebody, man. I'm hoping this gets through to one person. I see guys that are really handsome and they walk around thinking they're just garbage and can't get anything. Bro, so many men are defeated today. Wake up. Splash cold water on your face. Yes, you're not born with your value like women are. But guess what? You don't have a ticking clock that makes your value go away. You can always improve as a man. You can always get better to the end of time until you croak. Always be working on yourself in every way, whether it be business, skills, fitness, body language, proper talking to people, the cadence of your voice and the way you talk, the things you say. Get to work, man. You might not be in a great place right now, but the beautiful thing is, guess what? You can get better. You can get better. You should be excited about that. Gotta wake up, man. Stop being defeated. Stop having your head down. Life is short enough already, bro. You don't have time to walk around being depressed and feeling like a loser. You're not a loser. And if you are a loser, it's temporary. You're not meant to be a loser. You got to get to work, man. Day by day, brick by brick, do the work. Because me, like a lot of other men, I'm rooting for you. I'm far from perfect, but guess what? I'm striving every day to improve in every way, shape, and form because it's my job and my job alone to get there for me.